Need help choosing the right nursing pad? You're in luck. Our review ranks the top 5 nursing pads available today. We researched the market before purchasing the most promising and popular contenders for hands-on testing to determine the best. While evaluating and comparing performance, we compared essential factors like absorbency, comfort, wicking ability, and eco-health. Naturally, leaks happen, especially in the early days of breastfeeding, and nursing pads will likely become your best companion, keeping you dry and protecting your clothing from stains. Let our review help guide you to the perfect nursing pad for your needs and budget. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend 5 best super soft nursing pads 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Momcozy brand. With the plain weave non-woven fabric, Momcozy nursing pads are designed to reduce friction and protect your breasts. It is super soft on mom's sensitive skin and comfortable enough for daily wear, providing busy new moms convenient and solid protection as well. Adopt new polymer absorbing technology. The inner core of the disposable breast pads allows faster milk absorption and stays dry all day. Also, the improved leak-proof layer keeps your clothes protected better. By enlarging and widening the adhesive area of the 2 strips, the nipple pads can stick well inside your bras or nursing tank, so it doesn't easy to drop even when you're on the go. No one will realize you are wearing the nursing pads. The bottom is full of air vents and extremely breathable to discharge moisture and keep you away from a wet feeling. Momcozy disposable nursing pads also have a unique oval shape for optimal fit and discretion. Each pad is individually wrapped, which helps them stay clean. The breast pads for breastfeeding are also great for when you're going out or traveling. You won't have to worry about washing them. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the NatureBond brand. We aim to develop the next generation of disposable nursing pads. One that is so light and comfortable that it does not create any burden of wearing nursing pads. A nursing pad that is so thin and invisible, yet as highly absorbent as any other nursing pads. Leveraging the latest quick hydro technology and Japan-made polymer material, NatureBond presents to you the perfect disposable nursing pads which mothers can wear comfortably during all occasions. Say no more to thick, uncomfortable, and bulky disposable nursing pads. NatureBond nursing pad has a contoured shape which fits the breast comfortably. Though NatureBond disposable nursing pads are thin, they are highly absorbent. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 3 in our top is from the Kia Babies brand. 14-pack organic bamboo nursing breast pads, enough to last you for the week. Comes with a compact-sized wet bag for changing your reusable nipple pads throughout the day, while on the go. We know that breastfeeding is not an easy feat, but it can feel so much better with the right breastfeeding supplies. We use ultra-soft and plushy layers to help you cope with the pain in your sore breasts and nipples. These nipple covers provide you with extra comfort all day long. Our reusable breast pads are handcrafted with soft and high-quality seams. Leaking breasts are very normal during pregnancy and postpartum, and wet tops are the least of your desires. This Soothe nipple pads for breastfeeding are topped with a layer of bamboo, 2 inner layers of ultra-absorbent microfiber and backed with a waterproof layer to keep you dry and comfy. For women with super heavy leakage, please bring an extra set of nursing pads to change after 4 to 6 hours. Safe for newborn babies to latch on your nipples while using. Organic bamboo is the softest and most absorbent fabric that we have to offer, giving the best comfort for your sore nipples all day long. Best maternity and newborn essential for every new mom. Number 2 in our top is from the Lansinoh brand. Lansinoh washable nursing pads have superior absorbency and are ultra soft, providing reusable leak-proof protection and confidence throughout the day. Unique teardrop design and contoured shape molds to your body for a comfortable and discreet fit. Lansinoh has an array of products for moms and babies, focusing on nipple and breast care, pumping moms, breast milk storage, and feeding your little one. To learn more, visit our brand store by clicking the word Lansinoh at the end of the product title. Absorbent core is designed with bamboo rayon to quickly absorb leaks for a clean, dry feeling. Uniquely contoured teardrop shape molds to your body for a comfortable fit. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. The number 1 product is part of the Kia Babies brand. Your week's supply of nursing pads that offer optimum protection and a simplified washing experience. No more worries about missing breast pads. Leakage is a thing of the past with our 4-layer nursing pads. Kia Babies nursing pads feature 3 layers of ultra-absorbent viscose from organic bamboo, sealed with a protective waterproof outer layer for extra security on the nipple pads. Tip: if you experience a heavy flow, please replace breast pads every 5 to 6 hours. We make it our business that your skin is only in contact with natural materials. Our finest organic bamboo nursing pads provide the softest touch to your delicate skin and allow your little one to safely latch on straight after you remove the breast pads. Wear your daily outfits with ease and confidence. We went the extra mile to ensure that our bamboo nursing pads blend seamlessly with your nursing bras. Which nursing pads would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.